The Siemens Micromaster 440-6se6440-2ud33-0ea1 is a variable frequency motor control that has an output capacity of 30 kilowatts and an input power of 380 to 480 volts of alternating current. This is a very general purpose motor control, and we have repaired them for many industries and for many uses, including HVAC and water pump controls. These motor controls typically have output failures and require a full and complete rebuild, which in this case requires a large number of parts. We stock them for quick repair time and can repair these fairly complex motor controls within 2 weeks. At ERD, we pride ourselves on delivering results, and motor controls is just one of the areas we excel in repair and refurbishment. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.